Piece of advice, never actually solder anything when a cat's around. Ah, yes, look, it's a mess. It's always a mess. But anyway, don't forget, if you like my videos, give them a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit subscribe. Don't forget to hit your notification. And if you want to leave me any messages, please do so in the comment section below. So there's a couple of tools I want to talk about when doing this. The first one is these lovely things. They're quite useful. I will put links to these in the description. Now with this, so this is actually a terminal removal tool. So for example, this is the one I've taken off. If I'm much mistaken, or is this the one no, this is the one I've put on. This is the new one that I've put on, and I have got an earthing wire here. This earthing wire here has to go into this. So basically what you do is, it says, trying to look through the camera at this at the same time, there's little tabs here. So you pop this tab open, pop that tab open, and pop that tab open, open the tabs, and you've got access inside. Oh, and what looks like a dead spider as well. Ooh. Go away, you. There we go, nice. So, what we can do is, inside here, I don't know if you can see them, there are some little tabs. So let me move this out of the way, because I don't need this one. So there are little kind of, you won't be able to see it, but inside here, if I use this screwdriver, or this pick, and do that, I get it stuck, and hopefully this should come out, he says. That's one. And that's two. No, that one doesn't want to do. It's a bit difficult, this is. When you can't see what you're doing. Oh, come on. Stop misbehaving. There we go. Okay, I know that one's definitely up. It's that one. There we go. See, there you go. And out comes the terminal that I need. So I can detangle it from this. So that's the terminal I don't need. And the terminal I do need is here, and this one should now push straight in, and then voila. So that's that closed. So that's that bit done. Oh, you should go down there. So that's that bit. So that's the lights done. I've got one more to do, which is this one here, and this one goes into this plug over here. This wiring harness is terrible. It really is. Where are you? You're there. It goes into this plug here. So it's this wire here that we have to remove. Now this is a little bit more difficult, and we have to use a different one on this one. We actually have to use, if I remember right, it's this one. So what we do basically is, this has to actually go inside. Actually goes inside here, and you push down, and then it just comes out. And look, that's the old one there. That's it, disconnected. So that's the old harness disconnected. And then all I have to do is get this the right way around, shove this up inside here until it clicks in place. And there we are. So that's done. So I've now got the new lights wired in to the, or the new plug, should I say, wired in. The last thing I want to show you is this. So I've had to, this is the splice where they splice everything together in such a weird and wonderful fashion. So the last piece of equipment I want to show you is this. So here's our solder. So this is where I've joined this, the lights back into the main harness. This is where it was originally came from. So I've put heat shrinks on, Honda, please note. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put one heat shrink up to there, and then from the other side I've got another one which I'm going to put up to here. And this little device is pretty cool, because what you do is you use it to shrink the heat shrink, so as you can see, and you can actually turn up the heat. There's no flames, and it is gas, so it's the same as what you'd put in a lighter. And then there we go, so that's that joined. And then I've got another one which is going to go over the top into the centre, and as you can see, if you watch, it will, there's no flames, it's just blowing out hot air. But we've now got a nice seal over that. So there we go. So a couple of tools worth, which I'll be using more of when I do the main harness and sort out the whole of the issues. But this harness is almost ready to go now onto the bike. All I need to do is I need to wrap it up with some insulating tape, and I also now need to sort out that I've changed the plugs on this. I just need to work out which way these go round in the ignition outside on the bike before I put the plug on, which I've promptly taken off. Not yet, I haven't. No, I tell a lie, I haven't. So I'm going to use, obviously, these tools here, I'm going to use to remove this plug here, so that I can then put that onto these connectors here, and then it can plug straight into this. So there we go. Anyway, so really quick video. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget, if you've got any comments, please leave them on in the comment section below. I will link to these in the description. They're very useful tools, especially if you're going to be working on your harness a lot and doing things properly. Honda. Otherwise, that's more. I can't say anything more than that. Don't forget, give it a thumbs up, hit your subscribe button. Don't forget to turn on your notifications. I've probably said that I don't know how many times now, and I'm going to say cheerio, arrivederci, goodbye, and I'm going to do something more with this wiring harness. Thank you very much for watching. Arrivederci.